morning, my people. Blessed. It's a God bless morning today, my people. Yeah, man. So we out here in the numbers this morning, my people. Me and Wang. Yeah, man. And we jump over and check out him thing. 1Spearfishing adventure, my people. Yeah, man. So me, Wang there, Conk man there, and I'm man, my peeps. Yeah, man. So I just me and Wang up against the Barracuda them this morning, my people. Yeah, man. Up against the Barra them this morning, my people. Yeah, man. So I'm go up on the bank this morning, my people, go see what we can withdraw. Yeah, man. Hope we can make a good withdraw today from the bank, my people. Yeah, man, because we have a lovely sunshine this morning, my peeps. Yeah, man, the sun arise in the east, so yeah, my people. Alright, me say, ready up here now. As I see. So we there, one line up in camera, same way, my people. So we want to jump up on the bank, my people. Hopefully we can have a lovely, decent, epic catch this morning, my people. Yeah, man. That is it. Conk man a feast, eat mango. You see me? 1Spearfishing adventure. We there with a bridge, you know, want to take on the water,
yeah,
same way.
One stand them must them for no AKA hard man to play that. Want to G them teach me spearfishing, you know. Dog, I you me account pan and that.
Alright.
They are gears up off the goat there, you know. So they just stay tuned for that.
That is them people. G say why we teach him the spearfishing. But the difference is that my people him live way in a send catching now within a sentence side. Just pass him and pass through. So I don't know how that I got done, but if I'm interested, yeah man, that is it. So yes my people, I'm going to head on out in the water here now. So wow, with some action my people. So soon forward. Skåne i Skinfish, eller? Skåne i Skinfish. Skåne. Welcome everybody. Yes, my people. Guys, we just forward out I water my people and you know work in our favor this morning the way we plan it my people. Just like how we say it was all about we versus the Barra them this morning, my people. I just me versus one of them this morning. Regardless me miss one, so that would be two. Yeah man. One day I see.
Alright peeps, miss one big old ugly barracuda this morning.
Yeah
Get the
man.
chance of a lifetime and dash it, but that's where you going, no?
So a Wang versus a mango, my people.
Yeah, right, no.
Yeah man, instead of Wang versus the Barra, Wang versus a mango. It's a lovely mango. Vice boss are feeding face same way. Vice boss versus mango.
Yeah man, we are here. Don't know, you know.
So yes, my people. A we versus some mango, you know my peeps. No fish today come our way. Well, I'm going to show you the catch anyway, you know my people. Because you don't know anything go. We did just a feed with face. Because we out there from mine, you know, we hungry and we come see mango, you know, we have to feed with face. Because it's that time in Jamaica, you know, mango season. Yeah man, so we are showing you catch now my people. So I catch this now my people. It's a nice barracuda, near 11 pounder and 2 skinfish. Yeah man. So that is it my people. Lovely catch. So yes my people, you never work in our favor like me say, but we still give thanks to the catch. 1 barra, 2 skinfish, you don't know. And we have bunny there same way. Yeah man, Barra gut. We have him, Barra gill, we have him come there way pan the gill. Yeah, and yesterday now people I give him a nice piece of Barra, you know, because I promise you know say I go give him a Barra, I couldn't see, but I never get for sure, but I give him a nice piece of Barra yesterday, but I still owe him one, because one I promise him, say we there you know, the Barra way up and thing with peeps, show no one way you know. Vice boss, I hang him up. Yeah man, I promise you say 11 pound, you know my peeps. I catch up my peeps, like me say 11 pounder. Yeah man, and we have right so now 2 skinfish with 3 pound. You get fully 3 pound, you know, 2 3/4. Yeah man. So yeah my people, you know, get the fish them clean up, you know, and go and easy back and feed me face, eat a 1 mango. Yeah. Shut up the bunny. Oh, 11. 11.
So, 1 barracuda. Yeah, you cheers, man. Easy, come on.
Get on harder.
Them fish they take with the bigger skin.
Normal, it's the same hand man.
Yes sir.
They take with the bigger skin.
I look as you can start.
Come on. When they catch up a bite, man, in a way catching a piece of that come out, you know.
One bunny.
Yeah, man. There, yeah. Fish are coming like monument, like a sculpture.
Okay.
They're pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to drop the line right then.
Same color. Yes, my people.
Healthy meal. And you wash them and fix them the right way. They're looking so nice. Healthy meal, my friend. People. You know?
Yeah, man. Healthy meal, that you know, my
I
peeps.
get used to it so much now. That's, you know, just become natural.
It's a healthy meal.
Healthy meal. Out of grass.
Healthy meal, that you know, my peeps. Gut, skin, gill, everything. Jeez, a healthy meal. I want to know the bunny.
Yeah, boy, the man a pass, you know, man. Evening time, you know, the bag think. Yo, you see the man a pass the bag, man. Yeah, people, you know what think so? You say me just laugh, start. Laugh. I say, boy. Think, you know, man. Evening, the man a go, man.
We are here.
Yeah, here.
So yes, my people. It was a nice day, my people. Sun is shining so bright. Welcome to beautiful islands of Jamaica, where there is love, peace and unity. Yeah, man. It's all about happiness, my people. It's all about love what you do what you love. Yeah, man. Let peace continue to be amongst each other as brothers and sisters of this earth. Yeah, man. Give thanks to life. God is love. Yeah, man. So yes, my people, want to tell us that we come today now for another epic adventure, my people. Yeah, man. Just so simple, nice. Yeah, man. So as you see, my peeps, it was just a small catch today, but we still give thanks for the catch, my peeps, which is the greatest. You know, always give thanks to what you catch. You know, don't complain when you catch a small amount. That is just the life of a fisherman. Yeah, man. So we want some people continue to like, show your love, support the movement, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Watch the ads. Yeah, man. God walk with you forever. Yeah, man. Peace.